In this video, I'm going to show you how to force dark mode on all websites in Google Chrome using a built-in Chrome flag. This is a super useful trick if you spend a lot of time browsing at night, want to reduce eye strain, or just prefer a darker look across the web even when a website doesn't offer a dark mode of its own. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or your app menu, just like you normally would. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top of the browser. Click inside the address bar, type chrome://flags, and then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page, where you can enable hidden settings that aren't usually available in the standard browser settings. Now that you're on the Chrome flags page, look at the search box near the top of the page. Click into that search field and type dark mode. Chrome will filter the available flags and show you the one we need. The setting you're looking for is called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. This is the feature that forces websites to display in dark mode, even if the site itself doesn't officially support it. Once you find Auto Dark Mode for web contents, look to the right side of that option where you'll see a drop-down menu. By default, it will usually be set to default. Click that drop-down and change it to Enabled. After you select Enabled, Chrome may apply the change automatically, but in most cases, you'll need to restart the browser for the setting to take effect properly. At the bottom of the page, or sometimes on the prompt that appears, click Relaunch. Chrome will close and restart automatically. When it opens again, the dark mode force setting will be active and websites should now display in a much darker color scheme across your browsing experience. If you want to test it, just visit a few websites that normally have a bright white background. You should notice that Chrome has transformed them into a darker version, which can be much easier on the eyes, especially in low light. Keep in mind that because this is a browser-level forced dark mode, some websites may look a little different than their original design. In most cases though, it works really well and gives you a cleaner, more comfortable browsing experience. And that's it. You've now forced dark mode on all websites in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you out, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick and useful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.